Ooh, good morning, y'all. It's morning, as you can see. It was already dark when I arrived here, and I'm here on a boat ramp on the Tennessee River, not far away where I left you yesterday. Had a good night's rest. Nobody bothered me, so another good boondocking spot. And then you got this view. That's beautiful. And it's quiet. Joey is guarding the house, the van. How are you doing? Eh? How are you doing? Are you okay? Eh? Oh, Joey. I'm here at my first stop today at a pretty famous store, I think, in a really little town called Scottsboro in Alabama still, eh? Yeah, I think so. And that's, I think it's the only store, or at least one of the few, that resells the stuff that's left on airports. I'm just gonna go inside and see if I can find something.
200, please. Ken Norris.
Maybe some underwear. But they indeed sell everything from shoes, and it's all second-hand, it's all used. Oh, at least most of it is used, I suppose. Yeah, it was interesting and not something to come back to, but I heard about the store and was in the area, so but that was Unclaimed Bagage, and you've got to see it all. Yeah, just entered Tennessee. I'm at the town of Cowan. It's one of these lost cities or townships. Everything's closed still. But what I did is I noticed this train station, and it was a nice train, so I'll have a look at that. And I also found this little original house. Oh, the first courthouse. In the early 1800s. It's nice that they conserved it, so. Cowan Station. Oh, two little rail cars. North Carolina to St. Louis? No idea. That's the loading dock. Yeah, and on my way out I see this very nice, well, what shall I call it, restored gas station, the Texaco. It still has the men's and ladies' rooms on the side. Some air, and one great attraction for many, it has 2 forts inside. What kind they are, I have no idea, but somebody of you looking at it probably does. And there's another one. Beautifully restored. Yeah, you never know what you encounter in these little towns. It's nice. I'm at the South Cumberland State Park, and that's in Tennessee, finally in the Tennessee area, at the Fury Gizzard Trail. I think this is one of the more popular trails. I haven't seen that many people yet, but okay, there we go. Maybe stay, yeah? Stay. Apparently there used to be a little footbridge over here, and I assume high water may have struck it, and now they put in a much higher and probably much more modern bridging. Oh, Joey, come here. No, come here. Come here. No, come here. Hey, come here. Now. We find it a little bit strange walking on that grid. We've had that done before, but it is really rough terrain, but beautiful pool underneath so you can swim. And I'm all alone. It's getting close to 7 p.m. Sun is almost behind the trees, and we finally made it to Prentice Cooper State Forest, if I'm correctly. We're just here on it's boondocking again, so no facilities, and it's roughly just a parking area and rocky at best, but there's still one car left. Prentice Cooper is very close to Chattanooga in Tennessee, so we spent the day in Tennessee, not really that much because tomorrow we'll be going back into Georgia. So we already left Alabama, and then tomorrow we're on the right now we're on the furthest point of this trip. And you can see Joey is dead too. At least he's playing dead. One last thing that I wanted to show is because Joey went into the water, I had to towel him off. So we got a special towel for that. And suddenly, that something I didn't expect to happen yet. I had a use for my clothesline. So the towel is drying. Oh, before I go, please pay attention to these missing children. If you have any information, please call the appropriate number. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.